Okay, today we're going to go over different types of switches for motor control. So we are used to seeing a single pole switch looking like this. So there is an on and an off. So right now it's in the off position. Power comes into this terminal, goes out on this terminal, and it will not go out until I flip the switch on. So what we have here is a motor control switch. This is referred to as a momentary contact. So when I push the button, it turns on. When I let go of the button, it shuts off. But you will notice on here, there is two sets of terminals. So actually, one set of terminal is what we consider the normally open position. So when I push the button, it creates the contact between here and here. And we have the normally closed position. So what happens is this is closed, so power coming in automatically goes through. So then when I push the button, it opens that circuit. So this is both on and off at the same time, depending on what way you hook up the contacts. So if you look on the motor control diagram, you can see this switch here is in the open position, but it is also in the closed position. So it's either or depending on what contactors I hook up to it. So right now what we will do is we will take power to the normally closed, and then we will take that over to a light. Now, when I turn on this circuit, or turn on the power, that light should come on, because as you can see right now the power goes right through the circuit all the way over to the light. So when I turn it on, the light came on. So now when I push this button, that light should shut off. Now what I could do is take power to the open position, take it back out of the open position over to the green light, so right now what should happen is the power is going directly through the circuit over to the red light. Now when I push that button, what's going to happen is that's going to lower breaking that circuit, and it's going to lower that closing that circuit, and then the red light will shut off and the green light will turn on. And that is how a motor control switch works. It is either on or off depending on when I push the plunger down, represented in this diagram. So here's a smaller version of that same switch. So when I push it, that comes down, makes contact, and that breaks contact, and that is what is turning that light on or off.